Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay. Now that we got that toilet done,
You want to generate some feedback in your comments?
Yeah, like what?
Are we on?
Yes.
Oh.
What?
Then you want to post that, what I said about women getting taken advantage of by contractor types.
Okay, but what?
Unscrutables.
Yeah, but what? You want me to title the video a certain way, or
no,
what?
I'm just making a point that if we don't know what to expect when a guy comes in to fix a toilet, then we can get taken advantage of. So we should have some knowledge, like what we can get from your videos.
Oh, okay. Make a separate video on something of that nature.
Yeah. Well,
okay.
Yeah. Well, let this be the beginning, because
I like that.
Yeah, we can learn a lot to know what to look out for.
Okay.
When we have work done.
When you have an issue at home,
and
such as this.
Issues mean tissues.
Yes.
We don't need any of those.
You know, I have not. Linda, have I touched this toilet before?
I don't believe
No,
the
answer is no.
Nada.
Never.
No.
And I haven't. Okay, so I'm gonna move the toilet tank lid out of my way. Okay. Make sure we don't step on that.
I'm so excited. See, next time I can fix it because I'll know how to fix the screen.
Yeah. Do you remember this one? We haven't touched it yet, so I'm gonna turn the gate valve, the water valve off. Okay, like that. I usually just flush the toilet. I guess I don't have to really flush the toilet any further than that, but I'm going to. Okay. Hey, I guess we have enough light in here. I'm gonna turn a little light on. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna keep the video running, and this is going to be the same way. Remember, we're going to pull this up like that. Okay, Linda, you need to watch this, because if it starts singing again,
I'll know what to do.
5 months from now, whatever, even if you have to replace that gasket, you'll know what to do, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to lift this up here, and I'm going to push down. I have to push down on that and turn it counterclockwise.
Okay, lefty-loosey.
Yep. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey.
Wow.
Hear it click. Now I have to pull it away from here, because the side of this is going to hit there. I have to, because I have to turn it just a little bit more.
Okay.
There. I felt it give.
Okay.
And now it's off.
Am I strong enough to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
See how this is just plastic. See how you can bend it over?
Sure.
Now I'm looking at this one. Okay, there's nothing in there. I'm just going to grab it with my finger.
Okay.
Nail. You could take a small little screwdriver to it. Yeah. That little pin in there stays, so we have to
work around.
We have to try to get this off of that pin. Okay, just like that.
Nice.
You remember how it goes. Now see the little nib on the back?
Yep.
That's going to fit down in there. See there? Okay. So now another thing too. If this doesn't pop up, and if the water keeps running, this is how you're going to do it. You're going to fix it this way. You're going to take this out and make sure it doesn't have any sediment in there. Like if something gets in your line, you might get some sand in there, some grit, anywhere in there, and will cause this gasket not to work properly. Okay? So we're gonna take this here. I'm having my assistant help me with this. Thank you very much. I should probably have you get your hands dirty for a change.
Never.
Okay? This is not a guarantee that this is going to work, but I believe it's going to, by Joe.
Well, it worked already once.
Sure did. Okay.
Will that eat away at the rubber by any chance?
I don't think so. This is petroleum jelly. You know, what other kind of oil could you put on there that's waterproof?
I don't know.
You know, some I don't know, something.
Some chapstick.
Chapstick. I don't know. Okay, so now I'm going to take this, and you've already seen this once, but you know what? If you're wondering, hey, Joe, you've already shown us this. The more times you watch something, the better. Okay?
Nice,
there,
nice
just
surgery.
like that, just like that. Now before I do anything else, I don't want to get my grease all over. I've just got some toilet paper here. Get that all off of there. There you go. Now we're going to put this on the same way as I took it off. See, this fits around the pipe, and I've got to pull on this, and I've got to kind of push over here and get that on the same place. like I did before. I gotta have this pulled up. I gotta make, okay, now I got it. Now I'm gonna push down on it until it clicks to the right.
Okay. It's like taking off a medication bottle.
Yeah, see, she didn't hear it click because she was talking. You were talking.
I did.
Okay, feel on there, it's on. Okay,
Cool.
now we're gonna turn the water back on. Okay? And the valve. If you're wondering where the valve is, okay, go ahead, turn it. See the little valve way down there? We're just gonna turn that on to the left.
Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yeah, lefty loosey. That works for water valves too.
All the way?
Yep.
Okay.
And just be careful with it just until it's snug, because it's on a plastic neck and you don't want to snap it off, because that thing's probably 12 years old.
Right.
You know, if you got a house about 30 years old, you may have a hard time getting that sucker turned off all the way.
Okay.
You know? I've had it snap off before, and it really wasn't a very fun experience either. I had to run to the store, get a new valve, shut the water off to the house, in between guests. Yeah, didn't like it. Not one bit. Okay, so far so good. We didn't hear it, did we?
No.
Okay, now go ahead and flush that.
Just flush and release?
Yep, flush and release.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, good golly, Miss Molly.
Into my ear.
Woohoo!
He's right. Thank you so much.
Okay, high five.
I am so
Oh,
grateful
come on.
not to
Yeah.
wet slap. Wet slap.
Ooh! Ow.
I need a hand massage.
Oh, okay, uh-oh.
A nice hand massage. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
So, do you think that'll last a while?
Well, I really do. I think it's going to last a while. The
Cool.
only way to know is to try it out for a while.
Okay.
It could last 3 months. It could last 6 months. It could last over a year. It just,
Okay.
but if you start having that issue again, at least you know how to take it apart. You can
Yes.
try some more petroleum jelly, or you can replace that gasket. You can take that gasket to the store with you. Tell them it's a Fluid Master 300. If nobody has it, what you could do is take a picture of it, go online. You could go to a wholesale outlet, plumbing outlet store,
Okay.
and they might have them in the back room. Okay? So there you go. 2 more toilets.
Oh my gosh.
Not to singing. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.
That was good.